Meaning of Guinevere.
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 Guinevere. Guinevere is a name with Celtic origins, meaning white shadow or white wave. In Arthurian legend, Guinevere was the queen consort of King Arthur and known for her beauty, grace, and controversial affair with Sir Lancelot. She is often depicted as a tragic figure caught in the turmoil of love and duty. The name has been popularized through literature, film, and television, with many interpretations of the character. Overall, Guinevere is a name that embodies both strength and vulnerability, and continues to fascinate and inspire through its storytelling.